This move will turn NIO stock around forever. This is huge. NIO said that the Chinese manufacturer of electric cars has plans to open its first facility outside of China in September. This plant will be located in Europe and will be used to produce power goods for the European market. Today, we are going to discuss the widespread use of NIO, as well as the reasons why NIO stock is so significantly discounted. Hey folks, welcome back to Stock Market News. In today's video, we are going to talk about a strong decision that NIO is about to make, and for sure, this move will turn NIO stock around forever. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you click on that bell symbol so you don't miss out on any of our wonderful videos in the future. And let's get started. We have gathered the most recent information, in addition to rumors, regarding the automaker's intentions for a new brand that would provide electric vehicles with prices ranging between $15,000 and $30,000. And we have collated this material right here in this video. Because there's a lot that's going to happen here, we are going to skip some of the customary background facts and instead open the door with the NIO rumor mill. March was the month in which we reported that NIO CEO William Li had provided confirmation that the Chinese manufacturer was looking at the idea of developing its own mobile phones at the time in question. Li added that NIO was still in the research phase, but its goal was to provide clients with a holistic system by offering a branded phone that could easily interface with its electric vehicles. In addition, a blogger by the name of Toner wrote a post on Weibo not long ago in which he stated that the NIO head cited the long-rumored Apple car as a big competitor and the reason for the automaker's choice to examine phones in anticipation of the coming of the Apple car. William Li came to visit me in person, and during that time he discussed the NIO phone and provided me with some fresh facts. The screen on the NIO mobile phone will neither fold nor curve, and the fold's design will be in the form of a candy bar. It'll come out on top as the most capable mobile phone to compete with NIO's EV. It will be the most beautiful mobile phone ever made, and its colors will be consistent with those of the company's vehicles. Each year, NIO will only release one of its flagship smartphones. Around 2 months after the initial adopters, we will start using chips. According to the time frame presented in the CNEV post, the earliest NIO phones might make use of a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The phone will be less expensive than an Apple iPhone, which is said to cost more than $1,000, and the method of purchasing will include a number of surprises and additional capabilities. It is anticipated that it will arrive during the next year. According to a publication in the local Chinese media known as the National Business Daily, Li reportedly made these comments on the NIO phone. In addition to the most recent phone news, it had been reported by Chinese outlets that NIO is building a third EV-centric brand with the intention of delivering vehicles at prices lower than they have ever been offered. There have been rumors going around about a second mass-market brand that will be joining the NIO family under the codename Alps over the past year. According to a report from 36 Krypton out of China, the brand in question has been confirmed, and the company is making progress toward the aim of delivering electric vehicles in China at prices ranging from $22,000 to $44,000 beginning in the middle of 2024. To offer EVs to service the low to mid EV market, NIO has already been working on a third sub-brand under development under the codename Project Firefly. NIO, Alpine, and Firefly will each run their own separate operations with their own research and development pipelines, as well as core staff. It is anticipated that the electric vehicles that will be available for less than the third mark would have price ranges, which is equivalent to $15,000 to $30,000. The Chinese media site compared the tiered branding strategy to that of Lexus, Toyota, and Suzuki, highlighting how it covers a variety of market niches and price points. NIO did not wish to speak in order to confirm the third EV brand at this time. However, we will keep you posted as more information becomes available and as things begin to take shape. Bear in mind that unless Chinese electric car producer NIO confirms them, these are only rumors to the best of our knowledge. NIO released a statement late on Friday night saying that it will hasten the building of battery swapping stations in Europe in order to boost sales of its automobiles in the second half of this year in nations like Germany, the Netherlands, Sweden, and Denmark. Additionally, the company has entered into a partnership with the multinational oil corporation Shell to construct battery swapping stations across the world, commencing with China and Europe in the current year. In 2021, NIO began delivering the ES8s to Norway, and in the same year, the company opened a showroom in Oslo. After sales services with city center showrooms and battery servicing networks have been highlighted as major competitive advantages by the corporation, NIO has stated that it intends to construct 4,000 battery switching stations across the globe, with 1/4 of these locations located outside of China. A growing number of electric vehicle companies and battery manufacturers in China are expanding their footprint in global markets where demand for EVs and energy storage is on the rise. Gotion High-Tech Company, a Chinese battery manufacturer, announced in June that it wanted to locate a third of its manufacturing capacity outside of China by the year 2025. Construction of the company's first overseas battery factory will begin in Göttingen, Germany by the end of the current year. In the event that we discussed NIO delivery on Monday, investors in the United States responded positively to the news that Chinese electric vehicle startup companies NIO and Li Auto had seen an increase in the number of cars they had delivered during the month of July. NIO reported that it delivered 1,052 vehicles in July, which is an increase of 26.7% over the same month a year earlier, but a decrease from the nearly 13,000 vehicles shipped in June. In the meantime, Li Auto said that it delivered 10,422 of its LE1 sport utility vehicles in the month of July. This represents a year-over-year increase of 21.3%, but a decrease from June's total. While this was going on, the competitor with the highest payment delivered the most. The Guangzhou, China-based company reported that the total number of deliveries made in July was 11,524, which is an increase of 40 from the previous year's figure, but a decrease from June's total. The price of NIO shares increased by 2.3, while Li Autos gained 3.8 and climbed by 0.2. There was a resurgence of the COVID-19 virus earlier this year in China, which led to lockdowns in major cities and manufacturing centers spanning the entirety of the world's second-largest economy. All three automobile manufacturers were affected by this. Additional automobile manufacturers are also struggling with ongoing supply chain problems, a scarcity of components, and an increase in the price of materials. NIO stated that the supply of casting parts was a major factor in limiting the manufacturing of its ET7 and E6 cars in the month of July. The business has stated that it's been cooperating closely with the partners in its supply chain, and it anticipates picking up the pace of vehicle manufacturing in the subsequent months in the third quarter of 2022. Neither XPeng or Li Auto made any mention of the difficulties in the supply chain. XPeng stated that it intends to begin collecting bookings for its new flagship G9 SUV in the month of August, while the former launch scheduled for the month of September. On Monday, according to Li Auto, the 200,000th Li1 was produced at the company's factory in Guangzhou, making a significant milestone not only for the company, but also for the entire electric vehicle industry. Hey, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you click on that like button and share it with all your friends and family. And if you have any questions or comments for us, please share them in the comment space below. We always love looking forward to hearing from you. We love to get your feedback, and we really appreciate your viewership. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll see even more of our incredible videos. And you can also check out other videos that have been specially selected just for you. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.